13 smart ways to save on back-to-school shopping. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Summer's ending and you know what that means. Back-to-school shopping. But don't worry, we've got your back. We're diving into 13 tips to conquer back-to-school expenses. Serious savings here, people. Get those notebooks ready, class is in session. Let's get started. Before you hit the stores, raid those closets. Remember that backpack from last year? It's still got some life in it. Backpacks, lunchboxes, binders, quick once over. A little cleaning and they're good as new. If something's beat up, get creative. Turn that old t-shirt into a tote bag. Show off those DIY skills. Let's talk bulk. Not just giant tubs of mayonnaise. Pencils, notebooks, stock up like there's no tomorrow. You'll need those pencils all year long, right? Bulk buying seems costly up front, but your wallet will thank you. Share with siblings or stash extras for next year. Win-win. Back-to-school season is basically Black Friday for school supplies. Stores go all out with crazy sales and discounts, so keep your eyes peeled. And don't even get me started on coupons. Clipping those bad boys from newspapers, scouring websites like a treasure hunt, and downloading a coupon app or two. Chapter 4. Thrift Stores. Secondhand shopping spree. Thrift stores are hidden gems. Imagine finding brand-name clothes and new supplies for a fraction of the price. It's like a treasure hunt. You can find awesome stuff, and the best part, you're giving items a second life. It's a win-win for your wallet and the environment. Chapter 5. Tax-free holidays. Shop till you drop. Tax-free. Tax-free holidays are like music to our ears. Many states offer periods where you can buy school supplies without paying sales tax. That's right, no sales tax. But hold your horses. These holidays don't last forever, so plan your shopping spree accordingly. Chapter 6. Price matching and cashback apps. Double down on savings. Price matching is a superpower for saving money. Find an item cheaper? Boom. Most stores will match that price. Now let's talk cashback apps. They give you money back on purchases. Chapter 7. DIY supplies. Unleash your inner artist. Who needs fancy, expensive supplies when you can make your own? Get those creative juices flowing. Notebooks and folders become blank canvases for your genius. Break out the markers, stickers, glitter, whatever you desire. Your supplies will look unique, and you'll save money in the process. Chapter 8. School supply swaps. It's like a yard sale, but for school stuff. Remember, one person's trash is another's treasure. It holds true for school supplies too. Organize a swap with other parents. It's a giant trading party where everyone wins. Kids get rid of old supplies and score new gear. Chapter 9. Digital resources. Join the digital revolution. Embrace the power of technology and explore free digital resources. Tons of educational apps, ebooks, and online learning tools can replace pricey textbooks and workbooks. No more lugging around heavy books. Let's be real, folks. Brand name school supplies are often all hype. Store brand items offer the same quality at a fraction of the cost. Do a blind test. You won't even tell the difference between the generic notebook and the fancy logo one. Chapter 11. Before you step foot in a store, channel your inner budgeting guru. Make a list and set a budget. This helps you stay focused and avoid impulse buys. A well-planned trip is successful. Chapter 12. Community resources. Tap into your community's generosity. Reach out to see what resources are available in your community. Many local organizations and schools offer free school supplies or assistance. Take advantage of their generosity. Homemade lunches and snacks. Pack your lunch like a pro. Cafeteria costs add up fast. Ditch pricey prepackaged snacks and embrace homemade goodness. Save money and control ingredients for healthier choices. Chapter 14. Cashback credit cards. Earn while you spend. Now I know what you're thinking. Credit cards. But I thought we were trying to save money. Hear me out. If you're responsible and pay your balance in full, cashback cards can earn you rewards. Look for bonus cashback on groceries and gas. You're buying those anyway, right? You did it. Now go conquer that back-to-school shopping. Boom! 13 epic tips to save money on back-to-school shopping. A little planning and resourcefulness goes a long way. Conquer those back-to-school aisles with confidence. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. See you next time.